Clearing your search history on Afterpay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is removed. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once in the app, locate the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Access privacy settings. In the account settings menu, look for the privacy settings. This section typically contains options related to your data and search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, find the option to clear your search history. Tap on this option and confirm your choice if prompted to ensure your history is deleted. Step 5. Restart the app. After clearing your search history, close the app completely and then reopen it. This will refresh the app and ensure that the changes take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Afterpay. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and enhance your user experience.